Click on the link below to get price. The WEN 13,000-watt Tri-Fuel Inverter Generator presents itself as a versatile power solution for a variety of situations, from home backup during outages to outdoor events where electricity may be scarce. With the capability to run on gasoline, propane, or natural gas, this generator offers flexibility that can be beneficial in emergency scenarios or for those who appreciate the convenience of multiple fuel options. At the heart of this generator is its 550 cubic centimeters engine, designed to provide quiet operation while still delivering substantial wattage. With a peak output of 13,000 watts and a running output of 10,500 watts, it is suitable for powering essential appliances, tools, and more. The inverter technology incorporated into this generator allows for stable power output, which is particularly important for sensitive electronics, ensuring that devices such as laptops and televisions can be used without concern for damage. One key feature of the WEN generator is its electric start capability, which can be a significant advantage over traditional recoil start generators. This feature simplifies the starting process, allowing users to power up the generator with the push of a button. Additionally, the generator is equipped with an easy-to-read fuel gauge, enabling users to monitor fuel levels without opening the tank. When it comes to usage, WEN has designed this generator for convenience and efficiency. It includes multiple outlets, including 120V and 240V options, providing compatibility with a range of devices and appliances. This makes it well-suited for various applications, whether for recreational activities, construction sites, or as a reliable backup during power outages. Another noteworthy aspect of the WEN generator is its portability. While it is a robust unit, it comes with wheels and a handle for easier maneuverability. This feature can be particularly beneficial for those who need to transport the generator for different purposes. In conclusion, the WEN 13,000-watt Tri-Fuel Inverter Generator combines power, versatility, and ease of use. Its ability to run on multiple fuel types, along with an electric start feature and ample outlet options, makes it a practical choice for individuals looking for a reliable generator for both home and outdoor use. Whether for emergency preparedness or recreational needs, this generator offers a blend of performance and convenience that can meet various energy demands.